What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you a real cool exploding water experiment. Now, I'm going to need some safety glasses for this one because I don't want to get no hot water in my eyes. So, yeah, just be careful with this experiment. So, let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is fill this glass with water. And then put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes or so, we're gonna test it out and see if it works or not. But kids, please have a dose of supervision for this experiment. Okay, 4 minutes or so. Now, I'm gonna be taking it out of the microwave. Make sure you have a glove because it's really hot. So let's drop a coin in and see what happens. Whoa! Did you guys see that? That was awesome. Thumbs up. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that real cool experiment. But please make sure you have safety because since the water is really hot, you might not want to get in your eyes. So kids, please have a dose of supervision. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment, see you next time, and peace out.